a compact, high-voltage blockbuster. But it's not running in the movie halls or on your OTT channel. It's playing on the streets, inside a store, or in a mall. And it's possibly telling you a brand story, a story that runs on cutting-edge media, powered by cutting-edge technologies, a sensory feast for the new age consumer. Presenting DDX Asia 2023. Presented by Orion LED. A unique one-stop exhibition of cutting-edge digital display solutions for both the retail and out-of-home advertising industries. A single hub for a range of consumer experience solutions, exhibition, workshops, networking, knowledge sharing. Don't miss it.